How's it going today, guys? Got myself a new product here. Got these axle slider kit, whatever, from Woodcraft. These are specifically for the rear. I have the fronts installed. But yeah, come along with me today as I install these in the bike. Hopefully this will help add some better protection when crashing or whatnot, help save the bike in the event of any type of crash. So there's the part number there. You can get a good read on that. So anyways, yeah, let's go ahead and open this guy. By the way, very nice packaging, so effective, definitely works. I've definitely had good reviews with Woodcraft. I haven't had any issues with them. Great company in my opinion. There's one, and there's two. And let's pull out the instructions, just in case. I want to see how they say to do this before I just go and do it. And then get my free sticker as well, which they sent you 2 stickers. Okay, so that's wood. Okay, yeah, so basically gonna pull this out, this pin here, pop this bad boy off, and then looks like I need to find an Allen key real quickly. Okay, so there's that. Let's see how this will go in. So I think it's just like that. So right. So you like that. Is it tightening now? I guess it's as far as it's gonna go, it seems like. It's not coming out though, so let's go ahead and pop this bad boy in and see how it does. So I wonder, that's something I would probably keep it about there. Not too high, not too low. And that sticks out about the same as the spools do, so hopefully though it'll help keep these spools more intact. It definitely does suck when crashing with this bike. I mean, the spools do take the damage of the swing arm, but I do want something else here as well, just as a second option. Oh, I see, there's 2 bigger sides. Oh, I see, this one's for this side. Okay, that makes sense. So these are directional. One size here is bigger and one size is a lot smaller. So now I need to find the Allen key for the other side. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and move you guys over to the other side here. All right, so hopefully you guys can see it. Sorry, I don't have the bike on a stand right now. So let's see. Does it not tighten anymore? Okay, so it definitely will. I shouldn't have to do anything with this one. It should. So, and then this one will install like that, and I will take this one and kind of bring it down even as well. All right, so that's in, and this side is in. So there it is. That is the your rear axle slider on a. This is anywhere from a what was it? 2013 to 2023 Honda CBR. So very nice kit. Went in very well, and it removes very easily. So that is another addition to the CBR on us. So stay tuned. Next up, we will be tearing out the stock muffler here and putting in all new fairings on her, as she did experience a crash a couple months ago. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Peace.